Hi. I'm Neil Farah. Let's delve into a tutorial on performing basic arithmetic operations in Google Sheets. Enter data, type your numbers into cells. For example, in cell A1, type 5, and in cell B1, type 3. Perform basic arithmetic, addition, in an empty cell, let's say C1, type equals A1 B1, press enter. The sum of 5 and 3, 8, will appear in cell C1. Subtraction, in another empty cell, example C2, type equals A1, B1, press enter. The result of subtracting 3 from 5, 2, will be displayed in cell C2. Multiplication, in a new empty cell, example C3, type equals A1 B1, press enter. The product of 5 and 3, 15, will appear in cell C3. Division, in yet another empty cell, example C4, type equals A1/B1. Press enter. The result of dividing 5 by 3, approximately 1.67, will be shown in cell C4. Order of operations, Google Sheets follows the standard order of operations, PEMDAS/BODMAS, so you can use parentheses to control the sequence of calculations. For example, sad face A1 B1, C1 will add A1 and B1 first, then multiply by C1. Remember, this tutorial covers basic arithmetic operations. Google Sheets offers many more functions and capabilities for advanced calculations. As you become more comfortable with these basics, you can explore more complex functions, combined operations, and data manipulation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. See you on my next tutorial.